Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make a vegetable fruit slaw. Yes. So like coleslaw, except this is going to be with other vegetables and fruit. Okay, vegetable fruit slaw. Just for you. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. I would love that. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have a handful of broccoli flowers. Just the little pieces. I cut off the broccoli head, okay? I got about a handful, alright? Okay, so I'm going to actually cook them for like 2 minutes on the stove in some water. Very little water, just to cover the bottom of the pan to make some steam. I'm going to steam them. I'm going to put a top over them. I'm going to move the camera a minute. Okay, so we're going to let that steam. Meanwhile, we're going to focus in on our other items. So here I have a handful of shredded carrots that I'm going to actually chop up. I want it smaller than that. Make sure you can see. Okay, I think that's better. Yeah. Okay, so I want this cut fine. Okay, I think that'll work. Let me show you. Okay? Okay. Oh, you see how broccoli has started to heat up. I can see the steam. Okay, the water is just about gone. Okay, I think we're good. I'm going to cut the fire off. I'm going to put the top on it to lock that steam in. Okay, so now I have some cabbage. I took a piece of cabbage, cut it off the cabbage, very like 1/4 of a small cabbage. And I use this to shred the cabbage on this top part, okay? Alright. So now I'm going to add the carrots that I cut up in with the cabbage. Now this broccoli that we cooked, I want to cool off. So I'm going to put it in this plate. And while I'm preparing everything else, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to cool it down. Okay? Oh, and I wanted to show you that it's still a little firm. See? So I just wanted it, and the color is still a bright green color. I just wanted to take some of the stiffness out of it because it's going in a slaw. Alright, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Okay. So now that I have my slaw here, I'm going to add the raisins. I have, I'd say, maybe 2 heaping tablespoons of raisins. Put that in. I want to add some apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. You always shake it up because all the good stuff is on the bottom. They call that the mother. So when they make apple cider vinegar, they take the apples and make it and leave everything that's in there just like it is. They don't drain nothing out or anything like that. So this is the best vinegar you can buy because it has everything you need from the apple in it. Okay, so I'm going to pour a capful. Okay, that's 1 capful of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to add some salt. Salt. You know, cabbage is bland, so you have to add some salt to bring something to the table. Let me see, do I want to add this garlic and herb? I think I do. Yeah, I'm going to add the garlic and herb because I want some, a little flavor in there. Okay, and where's my pepper? Okay, black pepper. Okay, now I want to mix this up. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, now I have some walnuts. If you're allergic to nuts, don't put nuts in yours. If you don't want nuts in yours, don't put nuts in yours. I'm going to put nuts in mine. Okay, so now I have my mayonnaise. I like Hellmann's mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Hellmann mayonnaise. Okay, I have my broccoli out the refrigerator. I'm going to add that. Now I'm mixing it. Okay, I'm going to put a drop more, another half of a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now I want to taste it to see what I'm missing. I know what I'm missing. I'm missing some sugar. So I'm going to add a package of Nutri Taste Blue sugar, which is a sugar substitute. Okay, I added that package. I'm going to get a new spoon. I want to add some, I'm not going to add this relish. I want to add some parsley to give it some fresh herbs. That's not sharp. Maybe it's time for me to sharpen my knives again. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, I'm adding the parsley. Okay, let me mix this in. Okay, let me plate that up and show you. Okay guys, here we go. That's our vegetable fruit slaw. Maybe I should call it vegetable fruit and nutty slaw. Okay, let me taste. Try to get some of everything. Trying to get a piece of broccoli. Here we go. I'm trying to finish chewing, guys. Okay, so the first thing you taste is the roughage, like the raw food, right? The raw cabbage, carrots. The broccoli was even firm enough for you to know that it was firm, but very, very tasteful. Oh my goodness. And the surprise of that walnut when you bite down on it, so good. So good, guys. This is a new way to make some coleslaw. This is for your Thanksgiving meal, okay? Let's face it, everybody don't eat just turkey and stuffing. So you can put this on your table, something different, and I think that they'll really, really like it. Another vegetable dish. Wow. And maybe you might want to leave the walnuts on the side so that for those who can't eat nuts, okay? Okay, I brought it home to you. Vegetable fruity nutty slaw. How about that? Okay, we'll see. All right, love you. Bye-bye. Thumbs up. Share the video. Share the video. Please, I'm asking everybody to share the videos so that everybody can get ideas of what they can do for Thanksgiving. You should at least do that for your friends and family, okay? And check out my links below if you like to support this girl in any way. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, so when I made the slaw, I forgot to give you the word of the day. How could I forget that? So the word of the day is going to be a quick one. Be strong. When life beats you up, try to be strong. When you have failures, try to be strong. When you are short of funds, be strong. When people try to come against you, be strong. And you say, how can you be strong when all of that's happening? Well, I'll tell you how. It's a choice whether you want to keep it in your head or dismiss it. And it may come to your head like 20 times in an hour. Dismiss it. Just keep dismissing it and keep telling yourself, I'm going to get through this. I'm going to get past this. And if all else fails, go take a nap, because when you sleep, none of that's playing in your head. And when you wake up, you'll feel better because it's not so pressing in your mind. Word of the day, be strong. Now that's the word of the day at the end of the slaw video. How about that, huh? Okay. Bye.